Hi, Bill with RightAngle. I'm going to show you how to assemble and install our hover monitor arm HS1221. Okay, we're ready to install our monitor arm. It comes standard with a grommet mount. When you want to change it to a clamp mount, it's pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to detach that from the post, take the gasket off, take the clamp off. Then you have the big metal plate, which is the main portion that holds the clamp. That wraps around the desk. We're going to screw in the knob here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the part that clamps to the desk, the metal insert, and that actually goes into the bottom half. Then we take the screw with the washer, and that goes in the top to hold it together. Then we're going to screw that together. And you can take your Phillips screwdriver and tighten it the rest of the way. So this portion is now assembled. Now you take the post mount, and that's going to get attached like this here. And you've got 4 screws that require an Allen wrench. So for that Allen wrench, you're going to find that with the bracket that you attach your monitors to. So there'll be a hardware bag, the monitor mount bracket, and within that hardware bag, you're going to have this Allen wrench. So you're going to take the Allen wrench and you're going to put all the screws in. Okay, once you get the screws all installed, you're going to take the short end and then snug the screws down so they're nice and tight. Once you have that assembled, you have your gasket. There's adhesive on the back. You'll peel the adhesive back. You're going to stick it inside onto the bottom plate here. Now, what you want to do is you want to remove the clamping feature from the post. You've got your gasket and then the clamp itself. You want to take the gasket, just pull the adhesive off, apply it to the post base. When installing it in the grommet hole, remember to remove the ring for the grommet so you have a nice flat surface. Okay, you want to insert the clamp in the bottom of the post. Okay, make sure you center it on the hole so you can make sure you can get all your cables through, and you can tighten it up. This is how you adjust the height of the monitor. It's just a little clamp on the back. You can adjust the tension here. It also has the wire management. Now, again, this is the 1221, so you've got 2 monitor arms that are going to be coming off of it. So you have your splitter. The Allen wrench that came with your monitor arms, you can snug up the set screws here so this won't spin. Then it's just a matter of snapping it all together. You can see at full range. And that's how you assemble the H1221 monitor arm system. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.